Ever scroll through holiday photos, dreaming of a getaway, only for your bank account to laugh in your face? You're not alone. The cost of a holiday from the UK can be eye-watering, but what if you could have an incredible vacation? Stunning beaches, amazing food, unforgettable experiences, for way less than you think. In this video, we're proving it's possible. You could head out on the ultimate budget-friendly holiday to show you exactly how it's done. Your mission: find and test drive brilliant low-cost vacation ideas that still feel like a proper escape. The rules: cheap flights or transport, affordable places to stay, and an experience that actually feels like a holiday. You're testing 3 different types of budget trips: a classic European beach break, an adventurous trip further afield, and a UK staycation. Let's get into it. First up, the classic Spain's Costa del Sol. Forget the pricey resorts. Our goal was a week of sun, sea, and sangria without breaking the bank. You could score return flights to Malaga for just £45 each by flying in late September. Shoulder season is key. Accommodation: a self-catering apartment just outside Torremolinos, with a balcony and pool, for £250 a week. That's £35 a night. Having a kitchen meant breakfast on the balcony and feasts from the local market. Fresh fish, tomatoes, cheese, and olives for pennies. You could save on transport by using the local train and buses, seeing more of the real Spain and spending just a few euros each trip. Eating out? Skip the tourist traps. You could find a tiny tapas bar packed with locals. We found a tiny tapas bar packed with locals. Amazing food and wine for under €20. The beaches are free and glorious. We packed our own snacks and found quieter spots away from the crowds. For culture, you could take a bus to Mijas Pueblo, a stunning white village in the hills, and explore Malaga's old town and markets. Many museums have free entry times if you plan ahead. Evenings were simple: dinner on the balcony, sunset strolls along the promenade, and cheap, delicious ice cream. You could keep hidden costs down, refilling water bottles, grabbing coffee at the bar, and hunting for Menú del Día lunch deals. Total cost breakdown per person: £45 for flights, £125 for accommodation, £105 for food and drink, £25 for transport and extras. That's about £300 for a week in the sun. You could do it too. No 5-star resort needed. Shopping, eating, and living like a local made the experience richer and more authentic. The secret? Research, flexibility, and embracing local life. You could do it too. Your Spanish experiment proved you could have a proper, sun-drenched holiday for less if you're willing to step off the tourist trail. Pack your bags, book that cheap flight, and go live your best Spanish life. You could do it too, and go live your best Spanish life. Now, for something completely different, you could try this next adventure. Next, you could want a real adventure, somewhere culturally rich and totally different, but still cheap. Enter Morocco, Fez, and Chefchaouen. Direct flights to Fez from the UK can be as low as £60 return if you book ahead. Landing in Fez is like stepping into another world. Ancient medinas, vibrant markets, and the call to prayer echoing across the rooftops. You could stay in a riad, a traditional Moroccan house with a courtyard, for just £20 a night, including a huge breakfast. The Fez Medina is a labyrinth of alleyways. Getting lost is part of the fun, and exploring is free. You could do it too. Food is unbelievably cheap. Tagine for £3, couscous for less, and street food like Bissara soup for pennies. Must see the Chihuahua Tannery. Centuries old, colourful, and free to visit. Just expect a sales pitch in the leather shops. After Fez, you could take a £6 bus to Chefchaouen, the famous blue city in the Rif Mountains. Our riad there was just £15 a night, with a rooftop terrace and stunning views. You could do it too. The main activity: wandering the blue-washed streets, taking photos, and soaking up the relaxed vibe. You could do it too. You could hike to the Spanish Mosque for a panoramic sunset view, an unforgettable, free experience. You could do it too. Shopping in the souks is fun and affordable if you haggle with a smile. You could do it too. Moroccan hospitality is legendary. Expect mint tea and friendly chats everywhere. Total cost for 5 days: £60 flights, £90 accommodation, £6 bus, £50 food, £20 extras. About £226. Morocco is a sensory overload and a budget traveler's dream. You could do it too. For the price of a weekend in Brighton, you get a world away. The key: be open-minded, embrace the culture, and let the destination guide you. You could do it too. For adventurous souls on a budget, Morocco is a must. Our final challenge, can a UK staycation compete? We skipped the usual hotspots and headed to Sheffield, an underrated gem. Advanced train tickets from London were just £30 return, no airport hassle, just straight into the city centre. You could stay in a characterful Airbnb in Kelham Island, a cool, regenerated neighbourhood, for £120 for 2 nights. Sheffield is one of Europe's greenest cities, with a third of it in the Peak District. City break and countryside escape in one. You could take a £4 bus to the Peak District for a world-class hike along Stanage Edge, breathtaking views and a picnic on top of the world. You could do it too. Back in the city, you could explore the Winter Garden and Millennium Gallery, both free and full of art and greenery. The food scene is fantastic, an affordable pizza for £8, Vietnamese pho for £7, and loads of independent gems. You could cook a Yorkshire breakfast with local produce from the Moor Market, little touches that made it feel special. Sheffield's industrial heritage shines at the Kelham Island Museum, £7 entry, with the mighty River Don engine as a highlight, cheaper and more authentic than any big night out. Sheffield's character is real, gritty, and creative street art, music, and a welcoming vibe everywhere. Cost breakdown, £30 train, £60 accommodation, £50 food and activities, £140 for a 2-night, 3-day break. Your Sheffield adventure proved you don't need to go abroad for culture, nature, and a sense of escape. Look beyond the obvious. There are amazing, affordable places right on your doorstep. Support the local economy, reduce your carbon footprint, and save money. Win-win-win. Adventure can be found much closer to home than you think. You could do it too. So after Spain, Morocco, and a UK city break, you could do it too. What's the verdict? You could absolutely have a brilliant holiday on a tight budget. From sun-soaked beaches to exotic adventures and hidden gems at home, a memorable break doesn't have to cost the earth. It's not about where you go, but how you go. The blueprint: travel off-peak, pick self-catering, use local transport, and eat where the locals eat. Your dream getaway is possible, and probably much cheaper than you think. All it takes is a little planning and a spirit of adventure. You could do it too. We hope this inspires you to plan your own affordable escape. You could do it too. For more honest reviews and budget travel guides, subscribe to the channel. Share your best money-saving travel tips and underrated destinations in the comments. We read everyone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.